Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of React to build a custom star rating component from scratch. Star rating are commonly used in various applications from e-commerce website to movie review platform, and with React we have the power to create reusable components that make our development process more efficient. So let's see the demo of this project. On my computer screen, you can see I have a different star. When I enter a mouse on it, you can see its color will be a change. But when I leave a mouse from this star, you can see it's come back to its original position. But I want to give a rating to any product, so I click as 2 star. So now I give a rating to any product. But I give a rating to this product 5. Then I come back again and click 5 star. You can see now I gave a 5 star to this product. So in this video, we will create this app with the help of React.js. So let's get started. So I open my code editor, and here you can see I already installed my React application here, and I also run this application on my browser. So in next step, what I can do, I go to a VS Code, and in src folder, I create another folder with the name of component. In this folder, I create one more file with the name of rating star. In this file, I create a React component. So I write const rating star. In this component, I return a div with the text rating star. So I write return. Next, I export this component at the bottom. So I write export. In next step, I open my app.js file. In this file, you can see I get a lot of code, but I don't need this one. So I remove all this code. So I select from this header to this closing header. So I remove this code. So here I import my rating star component. So I go to app.js file, and here I write rating component. So you can see it's guessed me rating star. So I enter, and you can see it import automatically at the top. And here I close this component. And next, I remove this logo because I don't need this one. Next, I open my app.cs file. So I remove all this code from here, and here I write app and give a style to app like weight 100%, height 100 VH, and also gave a display flags, align item center, justify content center. So next, I go to a browser and see the changing. Here you can see I get a rating star text here. But instead of this text, I need a star. So what I can do? So I go to a VS Code, and here I install a React icon package. So I open my terminal, and here I write npm install, and here I write React icon and press enter. So you can see our package successfully added in our app. So next, we import our icon from this package. So at top, I write import fa star from React icon fa. Next, I use this React icon in our div. So here I write fa star and close this. Next, I go to our browser, and here you can see I get a star here. So you can see here I get a 1 star, but I need a 5 star here. So for that, what I can do, I go to a VS Code, and here I use props. So here I write number of star and I gave a value 5. You can give any value, like if you want a 6 star, you can write here 6. If you want a 4 star, here you write a 4. Okay. In next step, what I can do here, I go to this step and remove this component here, and here I write JSX. So first I create an array here. So I write array, and in this array I pass this variable number of star. And now I apply a map function on this array. So here I write map, and in this map I write index, and after that I return a function here. So first I use a return key, and next return this a component, star component. So I save this file and go to a browser, and here you can see I get a 5 star. So I zoom this one. So next what we can do here, I go to a VS Code, and here we create a two state with the help of useStateHover. So first one is our rating star, and second one, when I hover this star, its color will be a change. So what I can do here, I go to top, and here I write const rating. After that I write set rating, and I write here use state. I press enter, and at the top you can see it automatically imported from React, and initial value is 0. After that I create one more use state here, and I write here hover. So it's control our hover effect. When I hover on this star, its color will be a change. Okay. And next I write here set hover, and after that use state, and initial value is 0. So in next step, what we can do here, so in for f star component, here I use a on click event which handle our click. So here I write a function handle click, and in this function I pass index. So I send an index of the current star. So at the top we create this function. So here I write, so first here I write a comment handle rating, or you can say handle click. So after that we create a function here. I write handle click, and then so what it can get, it get a current ID of the star. Okay, so I write get current ID, and after that here I write console.log, and here I pass get current ID. So I save this and go to a browser and inspect this, and go to a console, and here you can see when I click on this, here you see I get a 0 index. When I click on 5 star, you can see I get a 4. So now what I can do here, I pass a key here. So in FA we pass here key and give a key index. Everyone have its own key, so we can do this. So here we increment this index. So what we can do here, I write index and plus is equal to 1, so it increment. Okay, after that I use on mouse enter function here. So I write on mouse enter, and in this function I return handle mouse enter, and in this I send our index, and after that I create this function. So I copy this one and paste here, and here I write handle, and after that I write mouse enter. Okay, mouse enter, and here I write this function. So here I write handle mouse enter. So I save this and go to a browser, and now you can see I reload this, and when I hover on this star, you can see I get the current ID of the star. Okay, you can see 2, 3, 5, 4 and 5. So now what we can do, I go to a VS Code, and in FA star we pass a class name. So for that what we can do here, so I write a class name, and in this class name I pass a condition. Okay, so here I write index less than is equal to hover or rating, then give a class name here active, otherwise Here write a class name inactive. I save this one, and next I go to component folder, and here I create a new file with the name of style.css, and in this file here I write dot active, and the color is yellow. After that I save this one and go to our browser, and when I hover on it, it's not apply, I think. So what happened? So now what we can need to do here, so I go to a VS Code, and I also need to change here. So instead of console.log, here I use a set hover, and I pass a value here get cron id. Okay, and save this one, and also here I write rating, and in this set rating, sorry, here I write set rating, and in this I pass a get cron id. And now I go to a browser and I reload this app. So next I hover on it. So you can see our CSS cannot be applied. So what happened? So I go to a VS Code, and here you can see I cannot import this style.css file in our React rating star file. So first we need to import here. So I write import and then style.css and save this file. Now I go to a browser and reload this. So now I hover on it. You can see I hover on it and its color will be a change. But when I leave a mouse, its color will not be changed. Mean it cannot come back to its original position. So what we can do here? So I go to a VS Code, and here we create another function. So first I pass a event here. So on mouse leave, and in this I return a function. So here I write handle mouse leave, and in this I pass index, and sorry, here I write index, and after that I copy this function, and here I write a commit handle mouse leave, and here I write control V, and after that here I change this function. So I write leave, and after that what we can do here, so here I write set over. So instead of set over, I pass a rating. Okay, so now our application ready. So next what I can do here, so I remove this get current id. I don't need this one. Okay, so I save this and go to a browser, and I load this one. Now I hover on it. You can see I hover on it, its color will be a change, but when I mouse leave from this star, you can see it's come back to its original position. And when I select this one, so I gave a 1 star. When I want to select 3 star, so you can see I will give 3 star, and you can also give a 5 star. So when I click on 5, you can see I gave a 5 star. And now you want to give a 2 star, I click on 2, and you can see now I gave a 2 star. So like this you can create your rating star application with the help of React. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more React tutorials and coding content. As always, thank you for watching.